What is going on, guys? Welcome to Ryan's Radar. It is January 24th, Wednesday, and we just got done doing our analysis for the elite group. And we were just going over what had happened this morning, and we had our projected pushes going from yesterday's analysis to go up towards these highs. It exceeded those limits, went farther than anticipated, and it actually hit that daily demand or supply. And when it hit that daily supply, price rejected immediately. And from what I just went over, short term, or long story short, essentially, we're still looking for a a bearish market, right? We want to be looking for a selling opportunity because the daily is still showing signs of weakness. Yes, we got the price kind of throwing that bullish candle, but it had that major wick that came right back down. And I know that price can go up a little bit more, but am I'm still determined to see price drop a little bit. But again, look where it's at. It's right at a 15-minute demand. I'm not about to sell at a 15-minute demand. So the best thing to do is one of two things. I'm either going to have price shoot up to hit these supplies for a nice retest because we have a big drop from this 15-minute supply and this 30-minute supply here, consolidation, and then another drop again. We do have a 15-minute supply right there, but again, notice the difference in strength. Could this one be respected? Yes, but we want these areas to be respected. So for the sake of it, I'll draw a 15-minute supply. I'm not using it as like anything I need because there is heavy news tomorrow right here. So we have at 7:30 in the morning, we have jobless claims for the U.S. We have good trades balance. We have GDP growth, and then durable goods and some import-export exchanging. And then at 7:15, we have euro. So there's going to be a lot of things going on with the euro and the dollar tomorrow. So euro USD is going to be all over the place. So I'm going to be hesitant to just kind of enter in immediately. I need to see price either go up and hit this supply or go down and hit this demand before I take anything. And I can tell you right now that if you break the rules of trying to enter in before it hits one of these zones, you're going to lose. You might take some wins, but I can guarantee you will take losses. And because you have no structure, or you will take losses. If you have no structure, you're gonna not know what's happening. You're not gonna know what's going on, and you won't be able to learn from it. You just be like, oh well, it was the market's fault, or I should have did this. Or you're gonna start thinking of all these things to do. But the reality is, wait for price to hit these price points. Wait for price to hit these supply and demand, so that it just becomes one less thing to worry about. It just you take away stress, you eliminate the fear of missing out. All of it just dissipates because you know I'm a disciplined trader. I'm going to wait for price to hit these zones because I know statistically if I do that, I'll be a winner in the long run. But I'll be looking for bearishness. And if it does decide to break this 1 hour demand, we're looking at price to go down to this 4 hour and daily demand. So you got the price points right there. Make sure you guys understand that, and then just wait for the news, wait for things to move. So in GU, it's pretty much the same thing. So price is currently within a 30-minute and a 15-minute demand zone. So clearly there's no need to touch it. I want to see price shoot up a little bit, but we might not get that. And I say that because of the amount of consolidation that's going on right now. I do believe that this is going to be like one of those gradual moves to the downside that is not going to be like anything beneficial during Asian session. Maybe London, maybe not. But I think it's just going to save up its volatility for New York session with all the stuff going on with the dollar. So our best bet is to, again, I want to wait for a push up. That's me. Could it drop here and go down to this 1 hour supply? Absolutely. And in that motion, it might hit that 1 hour supply, go up, hit or I'm sorry, 1 hour demand, and then go up, hit this 30-minute and 15-minute supply zone, and then drop again. They use it as walls. It's almost like support resistance, but it's directed at a specific point instead of just an area of interest that contains multiple points where price reversed or rejected it. These are precise points that are created every day. And if you wait for price to hit it, it will make a move. So I believe that our best bet is to look for continued bearishness. If you guys see it drop during Asian London session, then we might get a New York reversal and you could buy it. That I'm not opposed. I don't think any of you guys should be opposed to counter trend trading because with these zones, you can do both. You can trade with the trend, you can counter trade, counter trend trade. It's is you just have to wait for price to get in these zones. I would say if you're counter trend trading, then obviously I would be in and out of the market. I wouldn't try to hold on to it for a massive reversal, but you can get your pips. You can get easily 10 to 30 pips depending on the volatility. So you guys got your analysis. Let's see how it's going to be. I think I'm going to have more clarity come New York session because right now there's just so much going on. There's so many lines here, and I want to get rid of some, and I also want to create some new ones. So we'll see. We'll see what happens during New York. I'll be on, and hopefully you guys are able to catch some of these pips and make some money. With that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow night. Peace out.